DJ. So them born, so them stay. Now watch them at the Father and pray. Money up and we go hard every day. Them men study up with a space to tell them grace. See your success, I come watch evil. Can't change them, me know that's people. Say your rent don't spy, cash me.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another YouTube video. So today is Jada's birthday and we are at the AC Hotel. So I decided to just vlog a little part of our journey. So yeah, check you when we get a seat. Everybody up, people take picture. These are me. Jada's best friend, Kayan. The birthday girl. Come on, come on. Yeah, so when we get one seat to come right back now, like up your nice. We're in the restaurant full at the moment, so we are still in the lounge area. Watch girl our makeup nice. Who do your makeup? Fifi. Yes. Makeup by me.
And I say, show your makeup until it's by me. Oh, my makeup is done by me. Just with the bronzer and that's it, and eyelash.
Yes, guys, I don't know how the nights are going to go, but hope to enjoy ourselves. There's some people that we see them. So guys, we sit down here so for like half an hour or hour now, and not even some water them doing, not even some water them customer service thing. But with them just take orders, so hopefully them serve you as soon as possible because I know for the people them hungry. Yeah. They have some quick. But my nice, super girl. I'll give you one outfit of the night.
Ready, it's time.
Hi guys, so this suit here, so it's from Amazon. I bought this bag in Mumbai. No, Mumbai is a foreign now. Now one of them stores, I think I'm Macy's. I'm a friend buying my slippers, so I don't know which part she buy my slippers, but yeah. Here's from them. My friend buy it too. And my ears from Candy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Alazay, where you think them come from?
Oh, this pants is Aeropastel, come from England.
Yes.
This is China made.
Yeah, you look good, girl.
Yeah.
Yes, show us.
Oh, slippers, China made.
What you know? I asked for the fuck, Chris. Hot!
My clothes is from Bridget, my clothes is from my mom. Where you go to that now? Come on. Where's the clothes from?
Huh?
Where you buy your ratted clothes? That me ask.
I feel a fashion give me.
Oh, you win it. Let me see your slippers. Where's the slippers from? Alright. Just stop. Let us see the bad nail.
No, look at girl. Look at girl.
Okay, video.
So yeah, Jada, bling. Where you?
My clothes is from Mr. T. My slippers is from Bridget.
Where you here from?
India.
Yeah.
Right, this one.
So
They put me up for the night. But I love if they put me up for the night in one of them room, right? So I can ask you something? So what if you don't have no money to pay for your food then? If you go wash the pot then?
Yeah, that I always. My ears say foreign something that I always want to know what they're doing.
anybody can come from farm property and see. And it's not farm property, so anybody can come and see. No, the food not ready, so I'm coming out of the pool side. Oh, they're pretty and nice. Everybody finally get them food, but look how we have to eat.
You don't like that style there. You don't like that style.